Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Chicken Yakhni Pulao at home. Gather bone-in chicken, basmati rice, whole spices, yogurt, onions, and stock. Start by browning onions and toasting spices to release aroma. Simmer chicken with spices and water to make a clear, flavorful yakhni, then strain and reserve the broth. Parboil rice slightly, then layer with chicken and hot yakhni. Seal and steam gently until fully cooked. Start by sautéing sliced onions until golden, then add whole spices like cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom to toast them briefly. Add bone-in chicken, plain yogurt, and enough water to cover, then simmer gently to extract a clear, flavorful yakhni. Once the chicken is tender, strain the broth and skim any fat. Taste and adjust salt now, because this broth will season the rice perfectly during the final steam. Parboil basmati rice until slightly undercooked, about 70% done, then drain and set aside. In a heavy-bottomed pot, place the cooked chicken and spoon fried onions, chopped herbs, and a little saffron-soaked milk if you like. Layer the parboiled rice over the chicken and gently pour hot yakhni to just cover the rice. Seal the pot with a tight lid or dough, then steam on low heat until rice absorbs the broth and finishes cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.